Suprabhatam friends, welcome to my channel Plants and Me. This is Dr. Sridevi from Mangaluru, Karnataka, India. Today I am going to repot this plant called as Aralia. Look at the leaves, it has got such beautiful ruffled leaves. Some call it as Polycias, and in some website I found the name as Aralia, and it was sold to me as Aralia. I love this ruffled leaves. It's just an ornamental plant. I bought this as a 1 foot rooted cutting, and now it has grown tremendously. The roots have started coming out from the bottom of the pot. So this is a 10-inch pot. I'm going to repot it in this 14-inch pot. It's a plastic pot and the drainage holes are too large. The potting mix might leak out from here. So I'm going to put unused plastic at the bottom so that the potting mix does not escape from the big drainage holes. I have just obliterated the big drainage holes with this unwanted plastic sheet. This Aralia is a shade plant. It requires a well draining potting mix. I will be using mud, that is the garden mix or the potting soil which I brought from the nursery. Add 1/4 quantity of sand, that is sea sand, and a little bit of cow dung manure. Adding cow dung manure is not mandatory. This is an ornamental plant and it doesn't need any care. It will grow on its own. This is the potting mix I am going to use. This is the normal garden soil or the garden potting mix brought from the nursery. This is sea sand and this is cow dung manure. I am going to mix all these three. It should be mixed properly. There are pebbles in it. You can retain these pebbles or these can be removed also. Pebbles will give extra drainage to the potting mix and it gives aeration to the roots. I am adding this potting mix to the new pot. I have filled about 1/4. Now I'll try to remove this plant from this pot. Wow, it came out so very easily. This is the root ball. I'm not going to disturb this. I'll just remove this plastic which I had kept. Perfect. So the plant now has been put in this and the height is also perfect. I am going to fill the pot with the remaining potting mix. I have finished repotting it and I have filled the pot with new soil, and the old soil in which the root ball was there, that has been kept intact. That was about the repotting of this Aralia or Polycias. It is a shade loving plant. We are talking about the sunlight. According to rule, it is a shade loving plant. I had kept in sun for a few days. It could tolerate. In my garden, it is at a place where it gets morning sun from about 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock. So that is about sunlight requirement. Fertilizers, cow dung manure can be given or vermicompost can be given, but that is not compulsory. This is an ornamental plant, and again it is a no care, no worry plant. It does not ask for anything. Pot it, leave it, that's it. It doesn't require any care at all. So that is about fertilizers. Watering, it can be watered once in 1 week. It will be in shade. Water requirement will be less because sun rays are not falling on the potting mix. If sun rays fall on the potting mix will dry very fast and the water requirements will be more. It remains in shade, so the water requirements will be less. Watering will be once in 7 days to 10 days. That's about it. It doesn't require any other pampering whatsoever. So thanks for joining. Take care. Bye.